In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade in OANDA. If you're completely new, here's the simple idea behind trading on this platform. You choose an asset, like a currency pair such as EUR, USD, gold, or an index. You form a view on which way the price might move. Then you click buy if you think it will go up, or sell if you think it will go down. If price moves in your direction, you profit. If it moves against you, you take a loss. Everything else is about executing that decision cleanly and managing risk. Start by logging into your OANDA account using the OANDA app, the web platform, or a connected terminal like MT4 or MT5. Once you're in, open your trading dashboard so you can see prices and your account details at a glance. Next, choose your instrument. Go to Instruments or Market Watch and browse the available markets. You'll find popular Forex pairs like EUR USD and GBP USD, commodities such as XAU USD for gold, and major indices. If you have something specific in mind, use the search icon to locate it quickly. When you've picked an asset, click it to open the trade ticket. In the trade window, decide whether you want to buy or sell based on your outlook. Now set up the core details of your order. Adjust the units or lot size to control how big your trade is. This directly influences potential profit and loss. Choose the order type. Mark it for an instant execution at the current price, or a pending order such as limit or stop if you want the trade to trigger at a future price level. Limits are typically used to enter at a better price, while stops can be used to catch momentum as the market moves. Before placing the trade, set your risk management. Add a stop loss to cap how much you're willing to lose if the market turns, and a take profit to automatically lock in gains at your target. OANDA allows you to configure both right on the ticket, which helps keep emotions out of the decision. When everything looks correct, click Submit or Place Order. Market orders open immediately. Pending orders will sit until price reaches your conditions. To track the position, head to Portfolio or Open Trades. You'll see your real-time profit or loss, entry price, and your stop loss and take profit levels. You can modify these levels or close the trade at any time. When you're ready to exit, select the position and tap Close. Your profit or loss is finalized and reflected in your account. For a straightforward beginner setup, consider trading on MT5 or the OANDA app. Focus on EUR/USD, risk around 1% per trade, and use a simple approach based on trend direction with basic support and resistance.